What's up everybody, this is Programmer and welcome in my channel. And today I'm going to teach you HTML5. In last video we discussed about some fundamentals of HTML, in which we start from very beginning. If you don't know anything, you can watch that video. So let's get started. First of all, I like to discuss what is HTML5. HTML5 is higher version of HTML in which new features like drag and drop, audio, video, offline web application history, and local storage, geolocation, and web messaging service are available in a HTML5. So there are many things like Spg, Canvas, and many more things. HTML5 has uh, standard location of the each element. So suppose if you want the top part of the element, you can declare as it is a header, nav for navigation or navigation bars, nav bars, and articles for main content, section for divided main content, and section again section for divided main content, and aside which contain the extra information, and footer for all the information about copyright, privacy policy, and team of use, and anythings and many more. So guys, this is the layout of HTML5. So let's test it out. So first of all, I like to open a text editor. As I have already said, you can use your notepad too. So for this tutorial I will use Sublime Text. You can download it easily from the internet. Okay, so let me save it in a desktop as a html5.html. Make sure save as a type should be all file. Okay, save it. And so this is the difference between HTML and HTML5. You have to put doc type HTML for HTML5 content, and to access the HTML5 content over your web page. So make sure this is a professional indicator for HTML5 or the higher version of HTML. Save it. And for instead of body, you can use header, nav, article, section, aside, and footer. So I like to do that. First of all, let me put a header. Yeah, header. So header, nav, okay, and article, and cc, and section, again section, and side, finally footer. Okay, so let me put a header as h1 html layout. Okay, and never this is an nav bar, and article, I mean TICLD article section for first 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 SECTION section SECOND second SECTION section. Okay, so some extra information like HTML5 is latest BERSONE latest then HTML. Okay, and in footer @ COPY CST copyright by programmer. Okay, let me save it and let's run it, guys. Okay, HTML5. Okay, so you can see over here, so you can see the partition like here, but we have just used some text, so it's showing like this. But if you use a div and many other things, then it should look like this. Okay, so so let me explain by showing a web page. Suppose this is a web page, then this part is a header. Okay, this part is a header, and this is a nav section, and this is a footer section. Yeah, and in a side and article section, you can see the different posts over here. So this is the advanced website, so we cannot compare with it. So in the place of this main story and any other things, you can simply put this. Okay, guys, so in this way you can put the place the section, articles and navs. This is the way you can do that. And guys, this is just a text, so it's look like that. So let's begin. Let's continue our journey to learn a HTML5. So let's talk about audios. So we learn about images. How can we embed images over our web page? But we can also embed an audio files. So let's see how can we do that. So for putting the side for copyright issue, I like to use my own voice. So let me see. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, and let me put this file in the same location where is our file. So let's paste it and rename it for easy AUDIO audio. So let's embed this file in our file. So I like to remove these all things from here for now, and simply put body over here. Okay, and let's put a tag name audio. Okay, and put attributes src for locating the file. So our audio file name is audio.m4a. okay, audio.m4a, and again another attribute co controls. Okay, put it in as it is, and let's, if this audio file does not support, then we have to add some text. So let me put audio file not support supported in your browser. Let me save. Okay, let me save it and let's run, so you can see the change.
What's up, guys? Hello. What's up, guys?
So
What's up,
I'd
guys?
used a voice changer in that
Hello.
file, so you can
What's up, guys?
see it's playing.
Hello, what?
So you can put different musics, whatever you want. So let's run to a video. So let's see how can we embed video elements over a web page. So for that, I like to again use my own video, because to avoid the copyright issue, it is very important. So let me see whether here is any video file over here or not. So here is a video file over here. So let me create a HTML document over this. So let me this location, so let me clear it, save. Okay, indexed. Okay, video, you can put anything you would like. Okay, I put it. And for running the video, you just need to add attribute name pedio video. Okay, pedio video, video video. Okay, so and inside the video you have to put one attribute name controls and leave as it is, and put another tag source. Okay, and source and src for the video file path. Okay, go in a properties and copy this, copy it and paste it over here. Okay, and in the type just write vi video slash this type of copy it and paste it, save it. Okay, and put another attributes, put again source again, source again, and for src let it be. And for not supporting browser, we have to put a comment over here. So video video do not support support in your browse your browser. Okay, so save it and run it, so you can see our video is here. You can see. Okay, also you can check it out this video in our channel. So you can also change its size. We can also change its size by putting width and height 500 px. Okay, and adjust the height 500 px. Okay, save it and run it, and you can see the changes over here. So in this way you can embed audio and video in a web page. So let's talk about progress elements. So progress elements refers to the process, showing the process. Suppose 1%, 2%, 3%, showing like that, filling a green dot from left to right. So let's make it out. So first let's remove this, and for that you have to put attribute name progress progress, and put a value. I like to put it as 30. Okay, and put the maximum value. Okay, I'll put maximum value to 100, and you can put mi and min as a minimum value. Okay, I like to put minimum value as 0. Okay, and close the process. Okay, let me save it. Let me put it as a status. Save it and run it, and you can see the change over here. Okay, you can see the change over here. So suppose if you change this value up to 60, then you can see like this. So in this way you can see the process. So let's talk about web storage API. So with HTML5 website can store data on a user's local computer. Before HTML5, we had to use JavaScript cookies to activate these functionalities, but for advance of web storage, for more secure and faster, store a large amount of data, and not send with every server request. So for that, HTML5 web storage API is found. So let's see how can we do that. So for that we just have to write a key. Okay, we just have to write a key local local storage storage dot set item key. Let's put out the value. Suppose LXU like so. So 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 let's talk about drag and drop API. So for drag and drop API, there are there for drag and drop API there is a attribute named draggable. Okay, so let's make this progress as a draggable. So let's put draggable draggable is equal to true. Let's see the changes. So you can see it is draggable now. Before that is was not a draggable. So if I remove this, then you can find it is not a draggable. See, now it's not a draggable. If I put it back, save it, then you can see it is draggable. So by putting this attribute, you can make it draggable. Okay, so let's talk about SVG. Okay, SVG stands for scalable vector graphic. So if you zoom the SVG image, then you will not find it blur. So SVG image is very qualitative. So it is very important thing to understand, and we can create the SVG in a different shape and different size. Suppose if I will draw and show a simple circle by using SVG. So for that you have to put a tag name SVG. Okay, SVG, and we have to put a y. Okay, width is equal to let me put 200 px. Okay, and height is equal to not 200, let me put 500 px and 500 px for both. HEIGHT. Okay, height and width, and under the SVG we have to put a tag name circle. Okay, CIRCLE, circle. This is a circle tag. Okay, and under the circle tag you have to put the CX attribute for circle, indicating the circle x-axis. Okay, x-axis point of the circle. Okay, so let me put it as a 80, and CY stands for circle y-axis, again 80, and r is equal to for a radius of 50. Okay, and let's save it and see what is the changes over here. So you can see the changes. Okay, so we can find the field, so you can zoom it, so you cannot find it has been a blur. Okay, if you blur all the image, zoom all the image, then it will be somehow blur, but it is not a blur. Okay guys, so you can also change its color by using a fill command. fill is equal to, suppose I like to put it red red, save it. Okay, you can see in this way you can change the color of the circle. So in the same way you can draw a rectangle by simply putting rect simply putting a tag name rect. Okay, and put the weight, its width of 100 px. Okay, HEIG is the height of 50. Okay, let me 50 px. Okay, and we have to identify the x and y. So for x we have put 80 for circle, so we will put 100 for a rectangle. Y is equal to again 100. Okay, you can put any way you want, and let me fill it with green. Okay, let's remove this one and see. So what did we learn is that we just can use one element in a single SPG. Okay, for rectangle create a separate SPG, for circle create as another SPG. Okay, you can see a rectangle of green rectangle. Okay, so you can find that area of the SPG. Okay, so let's move towards the eclipse. Okay, let's make a eclipse, so let's remove it first. Okay, so let's talk about polygons. And for polygons you have to put a attributes name polygon polygon, and put a points. Okay, points points is equal to, okay, 100. Okay, okay, so points from 100 from here up from the up, and 100 from the side. Okay, to the points 200 from up and 200 from a side. Okay guys, okay, again 300 from the up and 0 from the side. So let's see. Okay, let's put the style for it. STYL style is equal to fill green. Okay, str stroke BLA CK black for the stroke. Save it and let's see the changes over here. Okay, now you can see the changes over here, guys. So okay, from this is the point. Okay, this is a point, 100 and 100, 100 from up. Okay, 100 from up and 100 from side. Okay, and 200 from up and 200 from side, and 300 from side, and 0 from up. Okay, in this way you can put polygons, make a polygons. Okay, so guys, we talked about Spg, and let's talk about Spg animation and its path. For that, let's understand. Okay, let's understand how can we do that. So for that, let's remove this one and create a new Spg. Okay, new Spg. Okay, new Spg, and put the width dt its width around of 1000 and height of 250. Okay, save it and let's animate a rectangle. So for making a rectangle, let's put an attribute tag name rect. Okay, and wait, let's copy this one because to save the time. 100 width and 200 of height. Save it. Okay, and put the fill fill is called to orange. Okay, and let's animate it. Let's see the changes first. Okay, we can see the changes over here. So let's animate this rectangle. Okay, to animate this rectangle, we simply use the tag name animate, and attribute name. Okay, ATTRIBUTENAME. Attribute name is called to X. Okay, ATTRIBUTE bute name. Okay, it's put like this, and from from, okay, from 0 is the initial value, and 2, okay, 2 is equal to 300. I put the 300, you can put any value, okay, and dur for a duration for each change. Let me put as 3 seconds, and fill is equal to, let me put a fill and a freeze, freeze, okay, and repeat the count. You can repeat a count, repeat, repeat, count is equal to, let me put 3, repeat a count 3, okay, save it. Okay, let's see the changes over here. So you can see the change over here. Now it will repeat for 3 times. In this way you can animate the rectangle, okay, so you can animate rectangle and circle according to you. So path is not, path means a line, okay, path means a line. Understand this code. So this means move 0 from up to 0 from left and 0 from up, okay, and to the left, okay, off from 200 from up and 200 from side, and here 200 from side and 0 from the up. Let's see this code. So you can see the changes over here. So we draw a triangle using this. So you can draw anything you like by using this direction over here, okay. So let's talk about a canvas, okay. For the canvas, okay, for the canvas we just simply do what is, we write an attribute. We write and tag name canvas, okay, and inside the canvas we put id, okay, id as a anything you like. I like to put canvas 1, and put the width, I like to put the width of 200 for now, okay, and put the height for 100 for now, okay. Let's see the changes, okay. Now if you see, then here is not anything, but if you see, then you can see a canvas, little canvas over here. So you can see there is a canvas. So in that canvas we will draw the things, okay, like an spg, and to draw things, okay, we have to use a javascript. So for basic, I will just explain the basic things about this, and we'll go more detail in when we will run javascript, okay. So for now, let's see our apt script. Put our script over here. Let's remove this one, and let's put a var can is equal to, I'm just doing it to show you how can we do this, but you will understand all this command when we learn JavaScript. Okay, cum document dot get element by syntax id and put the id name over here. What did we put over here? Copy it and paste it over here. Put the semicolon. Okay, br variable ctx for the content, and it's called to can dot for this can dot get okay, context is equal to 2D. Okay, you can close it. So we did that. Content is equal to 2D, and so let's make a simple rectangle using the canvas. Okay, for that let's see the change first. So here you cannot see any change because we haven't drawn anything yet. So for that we have to use ctx dot fill rec direct. Okay, now we have to use the x of the location of that, and okay, pixel of a rectangle, and this is the height and width of the rectangle, and this is the position of the rectangle. Okay, let's see it how it look like. Okay, you can see over here a little rectangle appear over here. Okay, in this way you can put things. You can draw a line, circle by using different methodologies, by using different comma codes. I will provide this code. You can learn more about this in a website named w3 school. Okay, here you can see the canvas. Okay, here is the canvas. Okay, now you can use this canvas over here. Okay, so let's go here, over here, and in this way you can draw a rectangle. You can also draw a circle. Okay, you can also draw a circle and perform a mirror. Okay, for now let's talk about HTML forms. So in a form, all things are same, but thing is now a little things changed is that. So let me show you. Let's remove this just a little bit. Okay, for art and form. Okay, so the change thing is addition thing is that a label, label. Okay, this is a for text. Suppose email, and for email you put the for the label for it's equal to email. Okay, so let's do an input, input. Okay, input type as a text for now. and name as a email. Okay, and placeholder, the PLAC placeholder. Job of placeholder is so what is it? Suppose email. Okay, so let's check it out. So you can see this is a placeholder. Okay, so okay, this is a change over a simple change over a HTML form. And another thing is, if you put here req require, then here she will not be able to click on a submit button without entering the data in it. Okay, so this is the thing. Suppose let's put a submit button to the SUBMIT submit name should be okay. Let's put it. So you can see that. So you can see this is the new feature of HTML. Okay, if you put a required, then it will do the job over here. So this is a new feature of HTML5 form. And another thing is you can use a search bar. You can make a search bar for that. Okay, so let's make the search bar INPUT. Okay, and let's put a type of SEAR CS search. Okay, name as a SEAR CS search item. Okay, type search, and let's put a ID is equal to my SEARCS search. Okay, let's save it and see the change over here. You can see the change. Okay, you can see here it is not like this. It is a search bar. So you can also put a data list in a input item. Okay, suppose if I want to put a data list over here, then you can simply go inside under this and put a data list. Okay, put a data list. Okay, you can put a data list and put a option. Okay, and put a option equal to value is equal to, okay, I like to put red rain. Just remove this, copy this for a couple of times, put red GREN green, BLUE blue, BLACK black. Okay, it's enough. So let's see the changes. Okay, so I forget to put a list. Okay, so we have to put a ID over here, guys. ID is equal to COLORS colors, and we have to put in which item we have to show it. So for that we have to put a list and put the name id name of the same thing over here. Okay, save it. Now let's see. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, now this in this way you can put a data list. Okay, so we learn. So this is it, guys. These are the HTML5 elements, all the HTML5 elements. I explained it in a very basic level, guys. So after learning CSS and Bootstrap, we'll be creating some cool pages. Okay, so stay tuned and please do subscribe. I helped you guys, and please you also help me by clicking the subscribe button. It will help me a lot. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, have a great day.